Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. Myself, Aisha from Standard 10. Today, I stand before you to discuss on a topic that has potential to change the world and the way. The role of mathematics in the human civilization. Mathematics has play a vital role in the development of human civilization. Service is the foundation of service is the foundation of progress and development in the various fields, from science to technology and economics and architecture. So it has an overview come of its significance. Mathematics is the language of science and innovation. That's all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Myself Pami Patel from grade 10. Today, I am here to discuss about the topic, the role of mathematics in human civilization. Mathematics is not a subject or accommodation of formulas, but it is a language through which we understand and communicate the whole world and navigate the whole world. We invent machines and technological advancement due to mathematics. We take our food to the mountains and to space due to mathematics. We invent rockets and artificial intelligence with the help of mathematics. Mathematics is not calculation. It's related to practical or inventions. That's all for today, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to STEAM competitors, ladies and gentlemen, and honored judges. It is a privilege to stand before you today to discuss a subject that is both timeless and essential to our understanding of the world. The role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Let us begin by looking back at the dawn of civilization, where mathematics first emerged in practical forms. Mathematics is not just a tool that shapes our environment or a tool of numbers, but it is a property that shapes our environment and helps to build different things and buildings, etc. That's all for today, and a heartfelt thank you for your attention.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished fellow and learners. I am Manisha Yadav from Standard 10. Today I am standing here before. It's a pleasure to speak to you about the topic that the role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics is profound and indispensable. Mathematics is the subject which we can't study classroom or a subject, but it is understand and navigate the world. Mathematics is the subject we can make a breeze to past, present and future. In conclusion, mathematics is the subject which we make our math strong and we can construct building etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mathematics is not just a subject, it's a silent force that has shaped our civilization. Good morning, myself Sadhgi Singh, a student of class 10, want to talk about the role of mathematics in development of human civilization. Look around, every invention, from the smallest mobile phone to the largest space mission, is based on mathematics. Banking, medicine, architecture, and even artificial intelligence rely on complex mathematical calculation. Let's focus on India. Fast forward to today, India is at the forefront of technology and space exploration. Chandrayaan 3 has landed on the moon with precision calculations. From banking to the machines, from artificial intelligence to stock market, from engineering to banking, mathematics is the backbone of everything. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to ladies and gentlemen, STEAM judges and fellow competitors. This is Vaishnavi from Standard 10th, and today I will be speaking on the topic of role of mathematics. Have you ever wondered what makes cities stand, aeroplanes fly, or internet connect the world? The answer is simple: mathematics. Mathematics has been the silent force behind the development of human progress. From the Stone Age to the space era, mathematics has been the secret code. From the ancient abacus to today's world of artificial intelligence, math has played a vital role. The Great Wall of China is made up of mathematical principles. The Eiffel Tower, a marvel of geometry. or our smartphones made up of complex algorithms, and even nature follows mathematics. Honeybees use hexagon shapes in their hives because it is the most efficient shape. Without math, there will be no progress, no GPS, or no Google. The next time you solve an equation, you are not just crunching numbers, but you are unlocking the same power that has built the human civilization of thousands of years. That's all for today. Thank you all for your heartful attention and have a beautiful morning.
Mathematics is not just a number equation or a calculation. It is the language of the universe, the foundation of the progress, and the silent force which shaping our world. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I, Swara, Standard 10th, standing before you to highlight the incredible role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics is deeply woven into the human civilizations and deeply woven into human civilization. Early in human civilization, where the Egyptian, Mesopotamians, and Indians were used mathematical concept for the trade, construction, and astronomy. The decimal system and the zeros, which revolutionize the mathematics in the mathematics, were the gift from the Indians to the whole world. That's all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, myself Anjali Kumari from Standard 10. Today I want to talk about the role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics is the language of science, technology, engineering, and magnetic fields. It provides a powerful framework for understanding the world around us, enable us to describe the making predicts or optimize the solution, and mathematics is also a beautiful and elegant subject on its own right. Mathematics is not just important for its practical. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sadia from Standard 10. Today I present here to share my thoughts on the role of mathematics in development of human civilization. Mathematics is backbone of human civilization, counting on figures to complex space mission. Math has the shape of our world in countless ways. It is the language of science, technology, and innovation. Today, maths power everything: computers, medicine, engineering, and even economics. Without maths, there would no skyscrapers, no internet, and no space exploration. It is the sharpness of our thinking. It solves real world problem. It is so let's prove that mathematics is not just a number. It is the foundation of progress. Thank you very much.
A very warm and pleasant morning to you all. I am Saranya from Standard 10 and today I am present here to deliver a speech on the topic of the role of mathematics in development of human civilization. Mathematics is a branch of our life. It gives the shape of the world. After independence, India got independence in 15 August 1947. It plays a crucial role for development of our nation. Mathematics is a subject that gives a branch of our life. Aryabhatta was a great scientist who developed the number of zero, and zero plays an important role for developing our nation. It gives a shape of our world. Mathematics used in various fields like tailor used for measuring the cloth, and Mesopotamians and Egyptian scientists used for inventing the formulas. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for a spark of inspiration, a dash of creativity, and a pinch of passion. My name is Sainaj Bano from class 10th. Today I want to talk about the role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics has played a vital role in the development of human civilization. From ancient civilization to modern times, math has been foundation of science, technology, and innovation. It helps us to understand the world around us, from the movement of stars and the intricacies of the human body. Math has been enabled us to build magnificent structures and development of life-saving medicines and explore space. It continues to shape our future. From the advancement of artificial intelligence and renewable energy, That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals, and all my dear friends. Myself, Sabya Patak from Standard 10. I am a student of CBSE school and today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of the role of math in human civilizations. Mathematics has played a fundamental role in the human civilizations, shaping virus of aspect of society and culture and thought, technology, thought, histories, and it's of the bits of the technology. That's all. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant morning to all of you present here. This is Ashish Ranjan standing in front of you to tell about an important topic, that is role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics is not just a subject, it's a way to check the ability of mind and the power of mind. Mathematics is the gym of the brain, how it develops the human civilization. Due to the advancement in science and technology, it develops the human civilization like fans, ACs and many things like electric bulbs. This is the part of mechanics, and in mechanics there is so much usage of mathematics. So we can say that mathematics can develop the human civilization. In conclusion, don't treat mathematics as a subject. Mathematics is the thinking of the brain. Mathematics make our thinking abroad. That's all. Thank you.
A pleasant good morning to all of you. Myself, Rajnish Kumar from Standard 9. Here I am standing in front of you for deliver a short speech on the topic of how mathematics play a major role in development of human civilization. Mathematics has been a feasible process in the development of human civilization. Mathematics help in thinking more. A man said that mathematics is the queen of science. Is developed. Thanks.
Good morning to all of you. Myself, Ayush Patel of Standard 10. Today I am present to deliver a speech on the topic of the role of mathematics in development of human civilization. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself, Ankur Kumar, class 10th. Today I am delivering a speech on the topic of the development of human civilizations. Mathematically. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, from class 10, and today I want to topic of the role of mathematics in human civilization. Everything is mathematics. Mathematics is a gym which mind sharp, and everything is mathematics. And thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Aditya Kumar from class 10. Today my topic is the role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics has play a pivotal role in the development of human civilization, acting as the foundational language for understanding the world around us, enabling advancement in science, technology, engineering, and social event. Even social structure is essentially serving as a critical tools for problem solving. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Afroz Ansari, a student class 10. I am going to speak about the role of mathematics in development of human civilization. The role of mathematics is human life in very important for human. The role of mathematics in human life are any work for factory, industry, and others working for human. That's all.
A warm and pleasant morning to all of you. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. This is Ujair of Standard 10 present in front of you to speak about the role of mathematics development in human civilization. I want to tell about unseen hero of human civilization, mathematics. With the help of mathematics, ancient Egyptians made up pyramid. That's our thank you.
Good afternoon, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow participants. Myself, Anish Kumar of Standard 10th. Today, I am honored to speak on the topic, the role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. Mathematics is often called the language of the universe. From the earliest time, it has played a crucial role in the shaping of human civilization. Whether we look at ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, Greece or India, we see that mathematics was the progress of various fields like architecture, trade, astronomy or even daily life. One of the first uses of mathematics was in number and measurement. Early people needed to measure land, weight, goods for trade and keep track of time. This led to the development of number system and basic arithmetic. The invention of zero by Indian mathematician Aryabhat and decimal system revolutionized mathematics and made calculation easier. In the field of astronomy, ancient mathematicians used mathematical models to study the movement of planets and stars. This knowledge helped the sailors navigate the sea and led to many scientific discoveries like Newton's laws of motion and gravity. Mathematics is the backbone of modern technology and science. Computer, artificial intelligence, space exploration, medicine, and even economics depends on the mathematical formulas and calculation. Without mathematics, we would not have the internet, GPS, or smartphones or cameras we use here today. Let me share an example of my body itself. If we talk in the language of mathematics, then my body occupies some space or volume which can be calculated by the help of mathematics. Let me share another example of a pen. A pen has its own length and its length can be measured by the help of mathematical tools. Its pen have some girth or breadth which can be measured by the help of mathematical tools. This pen also occupies some volume which can be calculated by the help of pen. Means every calculative part related to this pen depend on mathematics. So everything in our surrounding depends on mathematics. In conclusion, mathematics is not just a subject we study in the school. It is the foundation of human progress. It has guided us from a simple number to the exploration of the universe. As a student, we must appreciate the use of mathematics and use it for better future. A famous quote is said, mathematics is like going to the gym for your brain because it sharpens your mind. So that's all. Thank you and have a memorable day ahead.
Good morning everyone. Myself Divya Prakash Kumar from Standard 10. Today I am here to take you on a brief journey through history and explore remarkable role of mathematics in the development of human civilization. So let's bring with is some simple question. What do you think when mathematics is not present? Well, without mathematics, we are not able to build the wonders of the ancient world like pyramid in Egypt, the Great Wall of China. Mathematics is the foundation which help in the making of this type of monuments, and this is the main feature of that time for mathematics. As civilization grew, the need of complex mathematics is also grew. Then the ancient Mesopotamians give birth to the number and the geometry to trace time and trade. This and Egypt with great thinker like Pythagoras, Euclid, made groundbreaking contribution that established our understanding of world. In the modern world, mathematics is very essential for everything because from technology to medicine, think about the internet we use and the smartphone that are in our hand. This is all based on the principle of mathematics like algorithm, computations. In the conclusion, mathematics is not just a subject, it is a language to understand the world and create technology and make humanity forward. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Piyush Kumar Kasri from class 10th. Today's topic is the role of mathematics in human civilization, in development of human civilization. I want to about the unsung hero of human civilization. In technology, mathematics have been to make architectures, engineers. That's all. Thank you.